Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have xy equals to 6 and x plus y equals to 6 and xy equals to 36, and we solve this problem for the values of x and y. So here first we call this is our equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2, and now here we need to focus on equation number 1, so that from equation number 1 we move this x to the right hand side and we write our y equals to 6 minus x, and we call this is our equation number 3. And now here further we need this equation number 3. We can use this equation number 3 in equation number 2, so that equation number 2 implies that this is xy and we have the value of y is 6 minus x equals to 36. And now here we need to multiply this x on both of these terms, and it will be written as 6x minus x square equals to 36. So you see here this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable but not into the standard form. So that now first we write this equation into the standard form, so that here we move these two terms to the right hand side. So this is minus x square. When we move in the right hand side it will becomes plus x square. This is plus 6x. When we move in the right hand side it will becomes minus 6x. This is plus 36 equals to 0. So this equation will becomes quadratic in x variable into the standard form, so that now here we can apply the quadratic formula in order to solve this quadratic equation. First we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 6 and c equals to 36. And quadratic formula is stated as x equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and now we need to substitute the values of a, b and c here. It will be written as this is minus b, the value of b is minus 6 plus minus square root of b square. B is minus 6 square minus 4 times of a is 1 and c is 36, and it is divided by 2 times of a. So here our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step we have x is equals to, this is minus times of minus becomes plus 6 and plus minus 6 square, and minus 6 square equals to 36, and 4 times of 36 equals to 144, and it is divided by 2. So here we need to subtract this 36 by 144. So we will just subtract these values here. 144 minus 36, this is 14, 8, and here we take common, this will becomes 13, and this is 108. Because this is the greater value sign is negative, so this is negative. Okay, so here we have this is 6 plus minus 36 minus 144 equals to minus 108, and it is divided by 2. So further we need more simplifications here, and we write it as 4 plus minus. Here we need to break this square root on both of these terms, and it will be written as square root of 108 into square root of minus 1, and it is divided by 2. So here we rewrite this term as this is 6 plus minus, we write this 108 as 36 times of 3, and we know that minus 1 square root equals to iota, and it is divided by 2. And now in the next step we need more simplifications. Here we will first break this fraction, and we write it as 6 over 2 plus minus. Here we know that square root of 36 equals to 6 into square root of 3, and it is divided by 2 into iota. Okay, so here we need more simplification, and you see that this is 2 times of 3 becomes 6, this is also 2 times of 3 becomes 6, and we get x equals to 3 plus minus 3 times of square root of 3 into iota. This is the value of x. And now here from these values of x we need to find the corresponding values of y. First we will break these values, and we write separately positive and negative term. We write it as 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3, and the negative value is 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3. Okay, So here we need to equation number 3, so that we will copy down equation number 3 here. So equation number 3 implies that y equals to 6 minus x, and now here we will substitute these two values of x here, and it will be written as y equals to 6 minus x. The value of x is 3 plus 3 into square root of 3 iota. Here you have, this is iota sign, okay. And now here we need to multiply this minus sign on both of these terms, and it will be written as 6 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. So you get the value of y equals to 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota, and corresponding to the value of x is this one. Similarly, we need to put this value of x here, and it will be written as y equals to 6 minus x, and here in this case x is 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. We multiply this negative sign on each of these terms, it will be written as 6 minus 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. This is the value of y. So we get y equals to 6 minus 3 becomes 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. This is the value of y. Corresponding to the value of x is this one. Okay, so finally we have the two solutions of the given equation are x y equals to, the first solution is 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. This is the value of x, and corresponding value of y is 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. This is the first solution, and the second solution is 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota and 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. So these are the two solution sets of the given equation. And now here in the next step we need to verify these values or these two solutions, so that here I can just verify the one solution set and I can left the other solution set for up to you. So here we will verify this solution set. This is 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota and 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. So here I can verify this solution set and left the other for up to you. So here first we copy down the given question statement here. So these are two equations of the given equation are x plus y 6 and x y equals to 36. So here we put these two values here. So this is x plus y, and we have x is 3 plus 3 times of square root of 3 iota and y is 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota equals to 6. This is the value of x. You see here this is negative and positive are gone, and 3 plus 3 is 6 equals to 6. This shows that this solution satisfied the first equation. And now similarly we check the second equation. So the value of x is 3 times of 3 into square root of 3 iota and 3 minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota. It is equals to 36. Okay. So further you see here this will become the nice algebraic formula. This is 3 square minus 3 times of square root of 3 iota square equals to 36. So 3 square equals to 9 minus this 3 square equals to 9, and this 2 and square root of 3 are gone and you get 3 only, and this is iota square equals to 36. So now from here you see that this is 9 minus here you get 9 3s are 27, and this iota square equals to gain minus 1, so this minus times of minus becomes plus, and this is equals to 36. 27 plus 9 becomes 36 equals to 36. So this shows that left hand side equals to right hand side, and this solution set also satisfies the second equation. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.